Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Gupshup. Hope everyone is doing great and having an amazing weekend, and I am shooting after a very long time. That I say in every video because yes, I am not giving time for this video, so now I'm going to do that. So I have a lot of videos to share with you. I have few haul videos, few DIYs. I am going to upload all those videos very soon, but for today's video, directly jump into today's video. So today's video is going to be about my first experience with Shein. So one more thing guys, if you would like to correct me up, it's Shein or Sheen. So I feel it's Sheen, and many vloggers who say it's Shein, so I'm really very confused. So do write it below. So for that you have to do one thing. If it is Shein, so put it number 1, and if it is Sheen, put it number 2. So let me see how it is. And right now I'm going to share my very small haul of Shein.com. I purchased, and first I'll talk about the package, the delivery timing of this. The delivery timing is amazing guys. I have ordered this a few products around 3rd or 2nd or 3rd of October, and I received it at around 11th of October, which is pretty soon for any international shipping. I thought it may take around 2 weeks or more, but no, it took just 5 to 8 days as they have set in the expected delivery timing, and for that delivery is superb. You can actually rely on them, and delivery is going to be very super fast, I feel that. And if you talk about the packaging is something like this. I bought very few products just to have a try on, because many YouTubers do buy things from Shein, and I find it very nice on camera, but I think I thought I should try it by myself and see how it is, it's really good or not. So for that purpose I bought few items from Shein, and let me tell you about the quality, if it's really good or worth buying them or not. So the first thing is the packaging. The packaging is quite good. I bought 2 tops from Shein. So this is the one, and all these clothing items just come in such ziploc pouch, which is really good. You never get such nice packaging anywhere. So every single garment whatever you buy, it comes in a nice single packed ziploc. So I bought 2, so I got 2 ziploc pouches. One is this and another one is this one, so both of them. So I'll do this first. So ziploc pouch, and this is a very plain black color top which I bought. This is something like this. So this is a full sleeves one which comes till your arms. It covers complete arms, and I find it cute because it has a nice pearl detailing, and as it is said, the pearls are not sticked on, they are actually attached. You can see these pins over here. These are for, they have stuck on these using these pins. This you might feel this is a see-through, but it's not at all a see-through thing. If you talk about the quality of this top, it's really nice. It's not too rough, but not too smooth as well. I find it's little pokey when you wear it, but anyhow I like the style of this top, so I bought this. This is one, and the another one is this top, which I was actually looking for very long time, because I bought a high waist trouser, which for that I wanted to pair something in mustard yellow or in somewhere in a shade of brown. So I bought this. This is a shade of brown, and this is a crop top with a crisscross front, which is very much in style. I think Priyanka Chopra also worn it a time, so I find this is really nice. I bought this as a trending nature, and I feel this long sleeves are very much in, and I like wearing long sleeves rather than using half sleeves or any cold shoulder kind of thing. So I prefer using these long sleeve, and this is really nice. So I bought only 2 tops from them just to check where the quality is good or not, but yes, the quality is really good. If you talk about this top, it says it's not stretchable, but it is a little stretchable, so you have to check out the size. I'll put it in the description box, the link for this top. If you really like this kind of tops, you can go. I think they have one more color in this, so you can just choose that. The next comes is the belts. So this I bought as a pair. It comes in like set of two. It came. One is somewhat like crisscross, and another one is the plain regular one. And it's quite cheap. I found it was around, both of them got around 400 or 420 something, so which is really a good pricing, because I find all the belts outside are very costly and I don't like to invest so much on belts. So this is a good buy from my side. Then comes the interesting thing. These are, I just tangled it, I opened it so it got tangled. So these are the kind of small bracelets. It's a set of 3 and I really find it very cute. The elephant and a somewhat like eye-shaped one. It's really tangled up, and the chain quality is so good. I can't even tell you how good the chain quality is. I didn't even expect the chain quality will be so nice. So I'll show you one. This is how it looks like. So you have to just, you know, tighten it up, that's all. So I'll wear it and show. This looks really pretty and very chic for everyday basis. So I like this kind of thing. So this looks something like this on my hand. So you can make it, imagine how pretty it's going to look on every kind of dress, or if you are going to wear something with the watch, which I always try to wear nowadays. It looks quite chic and nice. So I found this pretty thing in that, and I'm definitely going to buy few more of these kind of bracelets. And the next thing is the accessory itself. So the next accessory was this pretty chain. This is a very 3-layered pearl, very chic kind of a chain, 3-layered chain, and it just tucks up over here. So this looks pretty good and decent. So this is how it looks on me, and I find it so classic. So the chain quality is also very nice. It is a very good material. It's not nowhere kind of used, because I've seen people telling the chain comes like little used one. It comes most of the time from Club Factory, but from Shein I find this is really worth buying, because I bought all these accessories of around 150. I just gave 150 for the chain and the bracelets, so that is really a good price. The next one is something not everyone's cup of thing, but I like this. Okay, let me open it. So this is beauty what do you call, the brush cleaner, the beauty brush cleaner, which is just of 150 rupees, and a very good hard material, a silicone hard material. So this is just for 150, I think. Yes, if I'm not sure, I'll just link in description box, or you can just check on the screen. So this is what it is. And the last product is very beautiful, and I don't know how to tell this. This is a small pocket mirror. So this opens it something like this, and it has 2 mirrors in this. One which is really used for good for your makeup when you do some kind of makeup. So I think yes, and one is for a very, you know, near view. So this is this kind of mirror is this. So it's a very pocket friendly mirror. Wherever you go, you just can open and, you know, check out your face and give any touch up if required. So this kind of mirror is really handy, and I really like it, and it's worth buying. It is also for I think around 150, which is a very great price. Material is so good. The, you know, sturdiness is very nice. So I feel all the product whatever I bought from Shein is really worth buying it, and I find all the products I'll definitely going to buy some more Shein product, and I think I'm going to get addicted to this, and it's really nice. So if you do, let me know in the comment section whatever you like from that, and all the products will be described in the description box, so you can just go and hit the link, and if you really want to buy, you can buy those products. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll be back with the next video very soon. Bye bye.